If you're struggling with sugar cravings and would like to limit your sugar in the diet, learn how to swap unhealthy refined sugars with healthy natural sugars. Natural sugars are found in fruits and vegetables and nuts and dairy. Right? These sugars are not harmful for you when consumed in reasonable amounts. This is because these natural sources of sugar, they're also rich in fiber and important to vitamins and minerals, right? These other nutrients slow down the release of the sugar, thus preventing any sugar and insulin spikes in the blood. Alright, so fiber and water in these sources also help curb cravings by helping you feel fuller for a longer amount of time. So whenever you're craving sugar, have a fruit or a dry fruit. One more quick trick for you guys. Remember that cravings last only for 15 to 30 minutes. The best thing to do is to distract yourself for 15 minutes. Take a walk, talk to a friend, do your laundry, or watch a quick Friends episode. And you will find that your cravings, they have just disappeared.